Let's check what is inside. A multilingual user manual. A USB-C to A cable. A drawstring bag, quite comfortable material used. And our lead, OM450, a speakerphone with exquisite design. You can take it to anywhere with the bag. Press and hold power key. You will see indicators are turned on. Press Bluetooth key. Your laptop or phone will display speaker 3180. Pair and connect. Put your phone with NFC function on OM450. User will see a window with device name. It realizes quick pairing and auto connect. Let's play some music to check. Plug in USB to connect your laptop. It will be automatically recognized by Zoom/Teams meeting or other software. Open audio setting to test quality. Click plus and dash to turn volume on and off. The sound pickup is clear and efficiently avoid background noise.
360 noise cancelling conference microphone and speaker. And now I will show you to mute the mic.
Smooth touch operation. Stable voice when I am moving and speaking from farther away, or even I am facing away from the microphone.
Can achieve 360 sound pickup, intelligent noise reduction, and other functions.
Short press the power button. 5 indicator lights can show the battery level.